Learn English. Let's play a word game. Today is December 9th, 2022. Today, speaking game, 10 questions. We're using the Svano vocabulary, 8,000. Our vocabulary school is now open. Please see our website. This game is very different. It's best to use a pen and a notebook for this one. This is an example. We'll start like this. Vinny, you, every day, tennis, play. And then I want you to write the correct question in your notebook. And then for 1 point, you have to write it correctly like this. Do you play tennis every day? All right, let's begin. And today, we're going to do the do verbs. Please repeat. To do yoga. To do laundry. If you don't know what these mean, please check your dictionary now. Also, to do your homework is another do verb. Let's begin. Number 1. Please ask me. You, every day, laundry, do? If you need more time, you can stop the show when I raise the card. Do you do laundry every day? Okay, in number 2, you're asking me about Bob. So you say, hey, Vinny, Bob, every day, laundry, do? If you're high level, if you're in level 3, please stop the show now and try to write it in your notebook. And level 2, you can stop it now. Does Bob do laundry every day? And then when we speak really fast, it sounds like this. Does Bob do laundry every day? Number 3. In this one, you're asking me. You, every day, homework, do your... Level 3, you can stop now. For level 2. And for level 1. Do you do your homework every day? You don't have to say your, but we usually do. And when we speak really quickly, it sounds like this. Do you do your homework every day? In this one, you're asking me about Jennifer's son. You say, hey, Vinny, Jennifer's son every day, his homework due? Level 3, please pause now. Level 2, pause now. Does Jennifer's son do his homework every day? Really quickly. Does Jennifer's son do his homework every day? Number 5. You're asking me. You, every day, yoga, do where? Level 3, please pause now. Level 2. Where do you do yoga? Every day. When we speak really fast, it sounds like this. Where do you do yoga every day? Number 6. In this one, you're asking me about Jennifer's mother. You say, hey, Vinny, Jennifer's mother, every day, yoga, do, where? Level 3. Level 2. Where does Jennifer's mother do yoga every day? Because Jennifer's mother is only one person. And then when we speak really fast, it sounds like this. Where does Jennifer's mother do yoga every day? In this one, you're asking me. You say you every Saturday. Laundry do. What time? Level 3. Level 2. You can pause now. What time do you do laundry every Saturday? When we speak really quickly, it sounds like this. What time do you do laundry every Saturday? Number 8. In this one, you're asking me about Jennifer. You say, hey, Vinny, Jennifer, every night, homework, her, do. What time? Level 3. Level 2. Please stop the show now. Try to write it in your notebook. What time does Jennifer do her homework every night? Really quickly. What time does Jennifer do her homework every night? Number 9. Please ask me. You every day yoga do with who? Level 3. Level 2. Please stop the show now. Try to write the answer in your notebook. Who do you do yoga with every day? When we speak really quickly, it sounds like this. Who do you do yoga with every day? And the last one, number 10. You're asking me. You say you every day yoga do. Long, how? This is for time, duration. It means how many hours, how much time. Level 3, please stop the show now. Level 2, please stop the show now. Try to write it in your notebook. How long do you do yoga every day? Really fast? How long do you do yoga every day? And sometimes people say, how long do you do yoga for every day? Maybe about 50% of the time. Game over. What's your score? That's great. Did you have fun? What city are you in now? Can you speak English really well or only a little? What time do you do your homework every day? Where do you do your homework? Who do you do your homework with? Well, you're doing very well. It's time to go. My name is Vinny. Bye-bye.